How to cancel Alexa subscription on Amazon app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel Alexa subscription on your Amazon app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Amazon. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after you open up your Amazon, what you'll need to do is tap on the three lines that is on the bottom. Tap on it. Then after you tap on it, you'll see your account settings. Tap on this icon right here, that is your shortcut, and you'll be redirected to this place. Now what you'll need to do is scroll down. Now scroll down and there you'll find an option right under account settings that says memberships and subscriptions. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you'll find all of your subscriptions including Alexa. From here, you can simply, cancel your Alexa subscription. Tap on your Alexa, that is select on your Alexa subscription and then cancel it. And that is how you can cancel Alexa subscription on your Amazon app. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and